Ready to go bust out them head place full of Skeng shell. Anywhere you dwell, pull up on a yang gang. Rifle up.
By now, my viewers, subscribers who would already heard of the incident between Tamale Sparta and the police. Them find an illegal gun upon them. Them a road a legal gun. I first say this because you have some really sensitive boy and girl in a Jamaica. Yeah, you know. So let me just say this from first. Arguably, Tamale is an exceptionally great musician. The man talented till it look. I don't even know which word to use. The man is well talented. I'm not gonna lie, and he's one of my favorite artists in dancehall. And we really have a few artists in dancehall, so you must know. But beside that, my viewers, subscribers, the man now learn, brother. Me not sorry for him. You see me? Somebody commented under, or somebody that I know commented under one of my videos. The first video I did about the incident, and the person said, but you know what's the Tamale have to roll with a one piece because you know how we reach King reach him. No, me not take that for an excuse. Tamale, them man here make millions of dollars. Them man here make money. Them man broke like me and you we can't, we not even make a meal a month. You see me? Them man here make millions a day. I meet for tell me say yo, the man them can't have a one security around them for carry a license firearm. I have two security since them a protect themselves cause gunman are for them and bad mind people are for them and them enemy are for them in general. Let's say that's why. So that's why them have to have a peace upon them. My viewers, subscribers, better yet, let me say, since I can't ask because people are going to say, yo, them Jamaican artists here can't afford securities like rapper them overseas rate. Make we say that then. How about have a one man near camp who have a licensed firearm who is a certified licensed firearm holder where you can power it. So if police are pulling over because you know say as artists who know a target, police are always a target to them, no matter what. The man just want to get a piece of chance. The man just want to see who know a lack for about a second for clamp down porno. So what's now? Make we say alright. You don't have the money if you have some security run or some ex-military or whatever. Get a man with have a licensed firearm that can be expensive because we don't have a whole heap of man back on. You see me? We only have to pay for them plane ticket, for them booking a hotel, we want to say on an entourage. We don't have to take care of them family. You see me? So why not at least have a man around where can carry a licensed piece rather than for carry an illegal weapon by yourself? One not try say, one not try prove. One not say alright because me an artist and me sing this, me have to live this. No brother. One only a mash up on a career on the future and Tamale specifically, brother. As me say, you are one talented artist, my boy. You get yourself in a too much wrongdoing, my youth. When you see reach Vibes Cartel, for example, and next, I'm gonna create dancehall. Let me just say that. When you see where reach Vibes Cartel, and you still now wise up on yourself, bad man. Tamale, police will empire more than 300 million trillion time now. And the same thing keep on happen to you. What do you think? The man am just lawyer, sir. The man them I go always watch it because this is not a coincidence. The man them pull you over. This is not a coincidence. A SWAT team a chill you. This is not a coincidence. The man them have intel. The man them watch your every move. Don't be surprised if the man them even have man near camp where a spy on you. Don't be surprised because as me say, the man them nah let you go scotch free. So worse, the state now look like a fool. You turn to go like you don't understand, man, and continue. Look what happened to you now. Worst case scenario, the man will go back into the new year. You don't want that. We see what happened to you the last time. You lose millions worth of revenue. All because of foolishness. Brother, wise up. That's why I can't sorry for you. Me can't sorry for you because if you lick a baby and say yo, don't go touch about this because the fire go burn you. Him not go back there because he know the fire go burn him. So why you keep on get entangled with police, brother? You say you fear the cops them. Do the right thing now, brother. Everybody justify say yo, You need to have a piece by you because you're an artist and them no want we, you don't want we reach Ragging King, reach you, or whatever the case may be. Yes, I understand. Artists are target. Police are target artists. Bad cops. Your enemy are target you. People don't see and don't like you. We know them thing there. But you don't need to get dirty. Remember, I use to reach badness, you know. I use to reach badness. You don't need to roll with man we have no. You can't have your day one nigga them can't do them thing. We no business where a man want to do. But we're in the streets, have a one man, we have a license piece on them. If you can't afford security, I could say you can't afford security. But have a one man, we are gonna have a piece on him at all time. Should in case some of my man forget dirt, because you don't know you can't leave your cheap pints on road careless. So you have to protect yourself. But watch you know, that's another way you do it. You are your entourage and your dog them a carry license illegal gun on them. That not gonna solve nothing, brother. It only gonna put you in a trouble. And what make it even worse too? Police them might find the blow gun them pan and the next man because me hear say I know you them find the gun pan and a Tommy Lee them find the gun pan. But guess what? Them are gonna say Tommy Lee. The media are gonna say Tommy Lee. JSF are gonna say Tommy Lee. You have to know that, brother. Me can't believe when me see the thing, my bex cause me I say look how a youth ya. Look how youth ya put himself in trouble every day and my rate Tommy Lee, brother. And I just know I'm rate Tommy Lee, you know. For you love the music, you have to rate Tommy Lee because I get a youth and a youth will try for a long time. Him finally make it. And we see the man put himself in trouble over and over and over and over. My viewers, subscribers, me not like that. I mean, I want a man come tell me, say, yo, watch you know, me a 8 panda guy. No, me could never do that because guess what? Tommy Lee am my artist. Me rate Tommy Lee. So me can never come at 8 pound Tommy. It's just that me I talk the truth because that's what we do. We have to keep it factual. We can't talk bias. We can't make because you're arts and we rate we come chat foolishness. No. Tommy Lee, me expect better from you. Me expect better from your dog. I swear. And you have to understand, say, as me say, the feds that them off for your mind, just do the right thing now. Do the right thing now, my youth. I so prison nice. You like our prison, you like all the same. No even go say you like our prison, dog. You like our prison. You must like our prison, my youth. Me can never see a man yet, so yo, my viewers, subscribers. I must spell this a man under. I must obey them over him. Who believe now over? Comment if I spell him of man, no? Me need to know because one man it can't so tough. Me can't believe this. One man it cannot so tough my viewer subscriber. So me need to know what really are going on, you know. But as me say, me not sorry for Tommy Lee. Me just sorry for him career. You see me? I hope him pull through. But me not sorry for him. Me not gonna show no sympathy. I just him career me sorry for cause me don't want to see a man food stop. But what you mean right now, me not sorry for him. Point blank. Me not care what anybody wants to say. You get me? Comment your opinion in the comments section below. Until next time. Just vibe trader. I'm out.